I lead 2 data engineering teams. My first team is responsible for building complex data engineering pipelines between source and target systems. My second team is responsible for building data products such as anti-money laundering, fin crimes, and MarTech. We make sure we spend a lot of time to find the right talent and the right skill sets. We engage them in solving complex data engineering challenges, and we make sure that they are able to apply their skills in solving these problems. We have comprehensive training from Google, where our data engineers have to go through rigorous training practices and get certified. They apply what they learn in these trainings, and as a result, it becomes easy for them to continue with their growth in their careers. The cloud-first approach we employ gives us access to technologies on demand, and it is extremely scalable. Both my teams build in Google's GCP platform, so everything from getting data from source systems to curating the data to making the data available for consumption by downstream systems, building data products, and also making sure that the quality of the data is maintained, making sure that there are no downstream impacts. My team at Questrade is the first team where everyone became Google certified data engineer professional. I'm really thankful to the leadership here at Questrade. They have a great emphasis on continuous education and learning. We've had a lot of Google Classroom trainings, have additional training materials. Here at Questrade, there is an actual emphasis on making sure that team members get trained and apply them in solving complex data engineering problems. If you're interested in growing your career in tech, come shape your future here at Questrade.